My name is Francis Serato. I am the AC Business Unit Head of Molson's Trading Corporation, Philippines. Mr. Mahesh, our Vice President and owner, is unable to join us here in China due to pressing matters back in the Philippines. So he requested me to deliver his message to all of us. Let me read the message of Mr. Mahesh. A pleasant afternoon. I am Mr. Mahesh Mirpuri, Vice President of Molson's Trading Corporation. First of all, I would like to warmly welcome and thank all our guests who have traveled from the Philippines. It is a great pleasure and privilege for us to have this opportunity to bring our Philippine partners and friends to China, and more importantly, to bring you to the Philips factory. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Jojit Bendia. Sir Jojit. The owner of Joren's Appliance Center Company. I would also like to extend our sincere appreciation to Mr. Zhu, Chairman, and the entire Philips factory management and team for welcoming everyone today and for taking the time to prepare this special program for our group. On behalf of the Chairman, Mr. Vijay Mirpuri, and everyone at Molson's Trading Corporation, thank you very much for your warm hospitality. Familiar with the Philips as a brand, and we are familiar with air conditioning as a product, apart from TV and other small appliances and medical products. But seeing a finished product in a showroom is different from seeing where and how the products are actually made. And this is really the purpose of our visit today. This morning, we had an exclusive look behind the product. We saw the factory, the production process, the technology, the people, and the standards behind the exceptional quality of the air conditioners that we have already introduced. We also saw the new models that we will eventually introduce in the Philippine market. We will also have product presentations later, product demonstrations, technical discussions, and after-sales training. And we will have an opportunity to understand the technology more deeply. For me, this is very important. Because when you return to the Philippines, we should not simply say, we are selling a new air conditioning brand. We should be able to say, we have been there. We have seen the factory. We have seen how the products are made. And we understand the technology. And we believe in what we are bringing to the Philippine market. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. And I think that's the difference in this matter. The Philippine air conditioning market is already a very competitive industry. There are established brands, established dealers, established technicians, and customers who already have brands that they know and trust. So bringing new player into this market is not an easy task for us. But also, I believe that a competitive market creates opportunities for companies that can bring something meaningful and different. The Philippines is growing. Customers are becoming more knowledgeable, and they are looking not only at price, but also at energy efficiency, reliability, technology, after-sales service, and more importantly, values. And this is where I believe the partnership between Philips and our Philippine business partners, Joren's Appliance Center Company, can create something special. We are not here to simply to compete for a place on the shelf. We are here to build a new business, develop a new network, and create confidence in a brand that is entering the Philippine air conditioning industry. And to all Joren's business partners, we want to emphasize something. You are not simply joining an existing business. You are part of the group that is helping build the beginning of this business in the Philippines. Have you watched Spider-Man already?
Yeah.
Because I really think that the saying from this movie, with great power comes great responsibility. Being a pioneer partners, no, comes with a great responsibility. But it also comes with unique opportunities, like this trip. The decision, experiences, feedback, and relationships that we build together at this stage can become part of the foundation of Philips air conditioning business in the Philippines. That is why I hope everyone will take advantage of this opportunity. Ask questions, look closely, talk to the engineers, talk to the factory team, understand the products, challenge us when you see something that can be improved. And most importantly, share with us what the Philippine market really means. Because a successful Philippine business cannot simply be copied from another market. It has to be built together with the people who understand the Philippine customer, and that is you. This is why your experience and your voice are important. We may be at the beginning of the Philips air conditioner journey in the Philippines, but I believe the potential is much bigger than where we are today. Hopefully, when we look back several years from now, we will remember this visit not simply as a day we toured a factory in China, but as one of the first important steps in building a successful, lasting Joren's and Philips air conditioning business in the Philippines. And I believe, thank you so much. And I believe that today's factory visit can become more than just a memorable trip. It can become a milestone. The moment when our partners, our team, and our factory colleagues came together and said, "This is where we begin." Once again, on behalf of the Philippine Group, thank you very much, Mr. Su, the factory management, and the entire team for opening your doors to us. And special thanks to Mr. Jojit Buendia of Joren's Appliance Center Company and all his business partners. And to all our guests from the Philippines, thank you for being here. Thank you for believing in this opportunity. And thank you for being willing to take this journey with us despite of the weather condition. Let's learn, let's experience, and let's build this together. Thank you very much, and I hope everyone enjoys the program.
这个希望在座的